Today we're going to learn about something wonderful on the internet. It's called a search engine. Google's a good example of a search engine. What can you do with a search engine? Well, it's pretty cool. You can type prompts in and it will answer them. For example, you can ask Google if it's illegal to make coins into rings or make jewelry out of coins, and it'll give you an answer. Why don't you give it a try? Why don't you just hop over to Google and type in, is it illegal to make coins into rings? And you might just learn something new. You may just learn something today from the internet. How cool is that? It's pretty neat. Alright, I'm gonna hush up now and y'all can just watch me make this coin into a ring. If you're interested in getting one, visit coinringmaker.com. Y'all have a great day. Get your coin rings at coinringmaker.com. That's a beauty. Thanks for watching, guys.